Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the intricacies of entrepreneurship and empower you to build thriving businesses. Today, we're diving deep into the importance of knowing your audience while crafting your business. Plan, a fundamental aspect of strategic planning that can make or break your venture's success. Knowing your audience while writing your business plan. Your audience, whether investors, customers, or stakeholders, holds the key to unlocking the potential of your business plan. Let's explore how understanding your audience can elevate your business planning process and drive results. Identifying your target audience. The first step in knowing your audience is identifying your target market. Who are your ideal customers? What are their demographics, interests, and pain points? By understanding your target audience's needs and preferences, you can tailor your business plan to resonate with them effectively. Analyzing market trends and insights. Market research is essential for gaining insights into your audience's behaviors and preferences. Analyze industry trends, competitor strategies, and consumer feedback to uncover opportunities and challenges within your target market. This data will inform your business plan and help you position your offerings effectively. Understanding investor expectations. If you're seeking investment, understanding investor expectations is critical. Put yourself in the shoes of potential investors. What metrics do they value? What are their risk tolerance and return expectations? Tailor your business plan to address their concerns and highlight the potential return on investment. Crafting compelling messaging. Your business plan is more than just a document. It's a storytelling tool that communicates your vision, value proposition, and competitive advantage to your audience. Craft compelling messaging that resonates with your audience's aspirations and addresses their pain points. Use clear language, visuals, and data to convey your message effectively. Addressing customer needs and pain points. Your business plan should demonstrate how your products or services address customer needs and pain points. Highlight the unique value proposition that sets you apart from competitors. And showcase how your offerings solve real-world problems for your target audience. Align your business objectives with customer-centric outcomes to build trust and credibility. Seeking feedback and iterating. Finally, seek feedback from your audience throughout the business planning process. Engage with potential customers, advisors, and mentors to gather insights and validate your assumptions. Final thoughts. In conclusion, knowing your audience is essential for crafting a powerful and persuasive business plan. By understanding your target market, analyzing market trends, and addressing investor expectations. If you liked the video, please subscribe and share. See you in the next video, where we will talk about conducting market research.